Hello and welcome to Trend Genius Reviews. I'm Alex, and I'm here to put the world of high-tech automotive diagnostics in the palm of your hand. We present the Bluetooth OBD2 Scan or Top Scan, a revolutionary tool designed for iOS and Android that will change the way you perform maintaining your vehicle. Imagine being able to scan every component of your vehicle with just one device and an app on your phone. The Top Scan not only detects faults but offers more than 8 diagnostic and reset functions, from reading codes to restarting critical systems such as oil and airbag with its bidirectional capability. You can directly monitor the vehicle components from your phone to detect a poor function and the code pertaining to that particular fault. Top Scan offers a complete scan of the OBD2 system, including reading, clearing codes, information of ECU, auto-VIN, real-time data display, and active test. Also provides more than 8 reset functions such as EPB reset, steering angle reset, and DPF regeneration, among others. With the Top Scan, you will save time and money by avoiding unnecessary visits to the mechanic regardless of the brand of the vehicle. Its bidirectional control capability allows you to operate mechanisms, quickly locate problems, and solve them efficiently directly from the app for your smartphone. If you're excited about all these incredible features, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to obtain a more technical view of the product, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe with notifications to be aware of each technological gem that we have for you. Without further ado, let's continue. With a single click on the app, you will have full control over the diagnosis and the conditions of your vehicle. Let me share the story of Tammy, who thanks to the Top Scan was able to easily solve an evap leak in her car with just a few clicks, identified the faulty component, and fixed it without the need for expensive mechanical services. If you want to carry out its maintenance automotive to the next level, I invite you to click on the link found in the description and discover more about the Top Scan. Do not miss the opportunity to take advantage of the guarantees and efficient delivery times that only Amazon can offer you. Do not wait any longer to have total control over the health of your vehicle. Thank you for your attention and your trust. See you later.